भायर काडचे पडटले सर तुम्ही तांकां भायर काड रेजिनाल्ड भायर वच विजय सरदेसाई रोहन खावटे रेजिनाल्ड भायर वचात चलचे ना तुम्ही हो मुद्दो सरकारा कडेन उठयात हांगासर ना तुम्ही हांगासर वेलान येवं नाकात हांव भायर सरात मार्शल हांकां भायर काड तिगांयकय भायर काड तिगांयकय भायर काडात तांकां भायर काडात भायर काड रेजिनाल्ड भायर सर रोहन खावटे भायर सर विजय सरदेसाई भायर सर हत्या भायर करात वचून हय फुडले तुम्ही हो प्रश्न सरकाराक विचारात म्हाका न्ही म्हाका विचारू नाकात तुम्ही भायर सरात तांकां भायर काडात तांकां भायर काड तांकां रेजिनाल्ड रोहन खावटे आणि विजय सरदेसाई हांकां भायर काडात सभागृहांत तांकां भितर घेवं नाकात भायर तुम्ही आता भायर सरात सभागृह चलोवपाचें आसा भायर सरात ना तांकां मार्शल तांकां भायर काड दीपक मार्शल भायर काड भायर व्हरात तांकां
जस्टिस तुम्ही दिऊ ना जस्टिस दिल वगैरे आम्ही हे करपाक नाही
स्पीकर सर
कितें
क्वेश्चनावर कॉल केला स्पीकर सर म्हाका क्वेश्चन पोस्टपोन करूंक जाय
न्ही
फॉर चॅप्टर 9 आम्ही एक नोटीस दिल्ली फॉर डिस्कशन ऑन मॅटर ऑफ अर्जंट पब्लिक इम्पॉर्टन्स दॅट इज द लुईस बर्जर इंटरनॅशनल स्कॅम
तुम्ही
अजय स्पीकर सर
तुमची नोटीस मेळ्ळी म्हाका नोटीस मेळिल्ली आसा हांव आमचे लिडर ऑफ द हाऊस जे आसात तांचे कडेन डिस्कस करून तुमकां केन्ना ताजेर चर्चा बी जाय जाल्यार ते
ना 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 कशें वयतले
बाबूराव बोलता तू
हय जालें
because most of our MLAs are educated. The use of public funds, misuse of public funds are limited. And that is why the MLAs are educated. Most of us MLAs are educated. So the minister should not have done that. Should pay for it.
Sir, this will continue?
I have to consult my MLAs and then otherwise asking for the resignation.
Check, hello.
See, we met the Honorable Governor basically to brief her on the murder of the democracy in Goa. We believe that the behavior of the Speaker was quite high-handed. It was unexpected because here we have a singular occurrence of the Industries Minister being booked under Section 420. 420 इंडस्ट्रीज मिनिस्टर आसतना हे बजेट आमी डिस्कस करतात हजारांनी कोटी रुपया हे मिनिस्टराच्या हातान आहा हे मिनिस्टराक 30 लाख रुपया रेजिडेंशियल अलावन्स जे ताणें डायवर्ट केला धंदो करपाक हे जर तो करूंक शकता आनी सगळे आमदारांचे नाक ताणें कापून उडयलेले आहा गोंयची लेजिस्लेटीव असेंब्ली म्हणटी आज एक इज बिकम अ लाफिंग स्टॉक इन द आयज ऑफ द पब्लिक नॉट ओनली ऑफ गोवा बट इवन ऑफ इंडिया. When we have an industries minister who is booked under section 420, this is a very serious issue, and this is why we have democratically protested in the house. We were treated in a very high-handed manner by the speaker, and what is now going on in the assembly is like a walkover match. There is the other side is not being respected. In a democracy, the dissent, the voice of dissent has always got the respect and being the guardian of the constitution, we knocked the doors of the honorable governor. We have told her that whatever we have said will now follow in the form of a detailed memorandum, which will be emailed to her.
This will continue. The protest will continue.
See, we believe that the protest is basically to open the eyes of the government on a moral issue. Now, if the government is going to shut its eyes and if the government is going to behave in a very shameless manner, then only God can save Goa. We have protested to show that the people of Goa do not like a minister booked under section 420, and therefore the minister with some moral responsibility should resign. This is what has been our stand. Now hopefully his eyes will open tomorrow and we will be not made to do further things that we intend to do, for which we will plan at every given time. Let us cross the bridge when we reach the river.
Okay. You have called on the
MLA is received. One MLA is received.
which MLA? That you should ask the leader of opposition. I don't have authority to make comments on that.
As a constitutional head of the state, she has to give a decision. आता we expect really justice to come from her side. आता ती justice मेळना जाल्यार God save Goa and the Goans. समज मिनिस्टर तसल्यो गजाली करपाक लागला जाल्यार सर्वसामान्य मनशाची गता कितें जातली ती तुमी वळखूंक जाय. मिडिया हॅज टू डू इट.
Không biết một đòi